The fires in Los Angeles have been very destructive, and one way in which we're seeing just how intense these fires are is the formation of these so-called fire tornadoes or fire whirls. And I think it's a good manifestation of the destructive power of these fires. You know, essentially any fuel. The term fire tornado isn't a very precise one. It can mean a lot of different things, but generally speaking, we call these things fire whirls. And these fire whirls, where it's a spinning structure, flow structure, can reach very, very high wind speeds. And so the fire, can burn and spread quickly, posing, that thermal danger, as well as, the smoke and, all the nasty things there from the smoke and emissions. But then the tornado aspect, or the high winds, add the risk of wind damage. And so you can have debris that's flung by the wind that can, hurt people. It can also knock over, damaged structures, as well as, hamper efforts by first responders or other people who are in that area to escape or find cover. Flung far away from. So fire whirls also can be a mechanism for flinging embers far away from their source and far ahead of the fire front, allowing the fire potentially to spread very long distances. Because of and I think it's important to note too that when these events happen, you can have a sudden shift in the fire behavior, and that poses a threat to first responders because they maybe it only gives them less time to respond to the sudden change, and the fire could suddenly move in their direction when otherwise it was moving in a different one. Airflow and create very